Life is full of decisions, and sometimes it can be challenging to know what choices to make. In this video, we'll discuss 10 decisions that you'll never regret making. These are choices that can bring you happiness, fulfillment, and a sense of purpose. 1. Choosing to be kind. Choosing to be kind is a decision that you'll never regret. Kindness can have a positive impact on those around you, and it can also improve your own well-being. Whether it's a small act of kindness or a larger gesture, choosing to be kind is always a good decision. 2. Following your passion. Following your passion is another decision that you'll never regret. When you pursue something you're passionate about, you'll find more joy and fulfillment in your life. You'll also be more motivated to work hard and achieve your goals. 3. Prioritizing your health. Prioritizing your health is a decision that you'll never regret. Taking care of your body and mind can have a positive impact on your overall well-being, and it can also prevent future health issues. 4. Forgiving others. Forgiving others is a decision that you'll never regret. Holding on to grudges and resentment can negatively impact your mental health, and it can also strain your relationships. Forgiveness can bring you peace and allow you to move on from past hurt. 5. Investing in your relationships. Investing in your relationships is another decision that you'll never regret. Nurturing your relationships can bring you joy and fulfillment, and it can also improve your mental health. Spending time with loved ones and showing them that you care can strengthen your bonds and create lasting memories. 6. Taking risks. Taking risks is a decision that you'll never regret. While it can be scary to step outside of your comfort zone, taking risks can lead to personal growth and new opportunities. Whether it's starting a new business or pursuing a new hobby, taking risks can lead to great rewards. 7. Being honest. Being honest is another decision that you'll never regret. Honesty can build trust in your relationships and help you live a more authentic life. While it may be tempting to lie to avoid consequences or uncomfortable situations, being honest is always the right decision in the long run. 8. Setting boundaries. Setting boundaries is a decision that you'll never regret. Boundaries can help you maintain healthy relationships and protect your well-being. Whether it's setting limits on your time or saying no to something that doesn't align with your values, setting boundaries can bring you peace and prevent burnout. 9. Learning from failure. Learning from failure is another decision that you'll never regret. While failure can be painful, it can also be a valuable learning experience. By reflecting on your mistakes and using them as an opportunity to grow, you can become a stronger and more resilient person. 10. Being grateful. Finally, being grateful is a decision that you'll never regret. Focusing on the positive aspects of your life and expressing gratitude can improve your mental health and overall well-being. Whether it's through daily affirmations or keeping a gratitude journal, being grateful can bring you joy and contentment. Those were 10 decisions that you'll never regret making. By choosing to be kind, following your passion, prioritizing your health, forgiving others, investing in your relationships, taking risks, being honest, setting boundaries, learning from failure, and being grateful, you can live a fulfilling and purposeful life. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching.